Now देखिए, one general question I have taken. You are just looking. Set A has 4 elements and set B has 4 elements. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 is the natural number, and this set is the collection of the multiple of 2 or even numbers, you can say that. And universal set is also given. अब यहाँ पे बात ये होती है कि when you are very much excellent, you have done a very good practice in your home, तो हम इसमें क्या क्या निकाल सकते हैं, क्या करना. यूनिवर्सल सेट कहाँ क्यों दिया होता है, why it's given? It means we can find out. देखिए, पहले हम इसमें A यूनियन B फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. देखिए, then we can find out आपका A इंटरसेक्शन B हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. then we can find out आपका देखो ना A complement we can find out आपका ना देखो this is. then A complement का complement we can find out आप देखो this is. then A union B complement we can find out देखिए, and A intersection B complement we can find out आपका देखिए ना this is. then B complement we can find out this is. and B complement का complement we can find out. अभी मैं बताता सिचुएशंस जो आप देख रहे हैं आपका नाम देखो दिस. इट मीन्स अब जब मैं इसका आई विल डू द सॉल्यूशन आपका देखो ना सॉल्यूशन नंबर 3. तो लेट A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to now it's 2, 4, 6, 8. फर्स्ट ना देखो A यूनियन B आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे. इट मीन्स ऑल द एलिमेंट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन A एंड B बोथ सेट्स विल रिटर्न ओनली वंस, बट दे विल बी ज्वाइंट विथ ईच अदर, दे विल बी कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर. तो ना देखो दिस, तो ना 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 ये आपने फाइंड आउट कर दिया. देखिए, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ दिस जो इसके बहुत नजदीक करीब है उसको आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. देखो A यूनियन B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. देखिए, पहले मैंने फर्स्ट आई फाइंड आउट दिस, उसके बाद मैं यहां चलेगा. देखिए, इट मीन्स आपका व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस, U माइनस A यूनियन B. ऑल द एलिमेंट्स which are present in universal set should not be present in A union B. That's known as the complements of आपका ना this is the A union B का. So now say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 minus A union B is what, sir? Now 1, 2, oh sorry, बोलिए 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and minus this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Leaving all these means you are going to subtract from this one universal set. So now this is A union B complements is equal to, इसको रिमूव कर दीजिएगा. 1, 2, 3, 4 कंटिन्यूस रिमूव हो जाएंगे. तो now देखो 5, 6 will be also removed. Then 7, 8 you have to also remove. देखो 9. तो this is your complement A union B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपका हो गया. देखिए, श्योर सर, कहीं पे दिक्कत हो तो जरूर बोलिएगा. नाउ देन द थर्ड, वैसे तो आपका देखो ना ये सेकंड नहीं है, ये फिफ्थ है. देखिए नाउ अब आपका नाउ सेकंड. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट A इंटरसेक्शन B. द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मींस द एलिमेंट्स व्हिच आर कॉमन इन बोथ द सेट्स विल बी रिटन वंस ओनली. सो नाउ देखो दिस A मेरी 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection 2, 4, 6, 8. What you are up now looking the common?
2 and 4.
Pardon?
2
2
and 4.
and 4. Then on behalf of this, now this sixth one you can find out A intersection B complement is equal to universal minus आपका A intersection B. It's 1, 2 आपका 9 you can write continuously and minus this 2 and 4. Means whenever you are going to find out the complements, so the element of the first one should not be present in the second one. So leaving this 2 and 4, now 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is A intersection B complement. Sure? ये भी आपका करना. This is also find out. ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया. Now we are going for the third one. A complement. A complement means complement only you can find in that way when you have the largest one set, that is known as your universal. That is denoted by U or S. S. So capital S. So now this U minus A is equal to 1, 2 continuous 9 and minus A means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Leaving first 4 elements. Now the rest 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be the complement of A. Now then the fourth one is A complement ka complement. Can you tell me up now how can we find out this? U minus A complement. So now U 1, 2 continuously till 9 minus A complement is what? That is up now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So whenever we are finding complement has a complement. So now आपका ना देखो, अब आपका leaving this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now this 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is A complement का complement. It means it is equal to A. Got it? Now, then the next one is 7. B complement. This is U minus A. So now universal set 1, 2 continuous 9 elements minus, sorry, it's B. B is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. So now leaving all these even numbers, so now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So now if you are going to find out, now this is that, sorry, B complement has a complement. So what will be? U minus B complement, क्योंकि यही आपका B के बराबर आना चाहिए. It should come. So now U is 1, 2 continuous 9 elements and minus B complement was your 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So all the odd numbers will be removed from here and the remaining one be the even numbers. So this B complement has a complement. It's just a collection of all the elements which were formerly in B set. Anyone is left? कुछ छूटा है इसमें? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 हो गया? 8 के 8 हो गए? फर्स्ट तो देखो अब इसमें और क्या चीज निकाल सकते हैं हम अभी बताएंगे. पहले इसको करिए आपका ना, प्लीज डू इट.